Hey everybody, my name is Max from Village Honda. This is a 2018 Civic Si Coupe, and I'm going to try to teach you how to drive stick today. Okay, so our first step is to turn on the vehicle, and you do so by depressing the clutch the whole way in and pressing the on button. Our next step is to put the vehicle in gear. We do so by keeping our foot depressed on the clutch the whole way, taking the gear and shifting it into first, as we're going to start in first gear. So our next step to get the vehicle moving is to apply gas first. And by doing so, that allows us to then release the clutch and move the vehicle. So let me demonstrate that by just moving forward out of the parking stall here. If you have trouble finding where you should release the clutch, it's going to basically be like this. And that's a stall on the vehicle, where you then have to depress the clutch and turn it back on. So once you're able to apply enough gas, that you'll be able to start moving again. So I'm gonna slightly release the clutch, apply some gas, let the clutch out fully, and we're moving. So next we're gonna shift from first to second, which is honestly a lot easier than getting moving. But once you have enough gas going, your revs are at about 3,000, put in on the clutch, gas, shift to second, you're good. And as you progress more, you'll be able to gear down by doing the same thing to slow down with your engine, not just your brakes. So I hope the little demo helped you today if you're struggling to learn to drive stick. If you have any questions, you can come by and see me at Village Honda. Once again, my name is Max. I'd be happy to take you out for a test drive, as long as you let me show you first.